30 rates indicates a potential 1.6% gain for Litecoin by May 25. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Litecoin is currently seeing a 2% uptick and is hovering near $53.39. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. The chart could show $53.18 tomorrow per CoinLore, down 0.4% from now. Litecoin could edge lower to $53.36 according to coin price forecast, around 0.1% below now. Gov Capital Collector points out it could edge up to $53.69, a projected increase close to 0.6%. A separate projection from 30 rates suggests Litecoin could move toward $54.26, roughly 1.6% higher than now. Finally, CoinDataFlow believes the price could advance to $56.30 by tomorrow, 5.5% above current levels. This is the highest profit estimate so far. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decrease of 0.4% to a rise of 5.5%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, CoinDataFlow projects the highest return with 5.5% gain in value by tomorrow. This means you could earn between $1 and $55 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, coin price forecast is ahead with an 84% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Consensus data points to Litecoin trading close to $54.16. Let's check the details. The consensus forecast indicates a 1.4% increase in price. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. On a 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $14. And looking at the odds, this consensus scenario for Litecoin holds a probability close to 73.2%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. CoinLore describes the outlook as flat. The short-term picture, also noted by Coin Price Forecast, shows stability. Gov Capital Collector sees Litecoin trending lower. 30 rates highlight stability, pointing out that Litecoin is unlikely to shift significantly. The near-term direction noted by CoinDataFlow is up. The consensus forecast highlights a neutral outlook, keeping Litecoin in a narrow trading range over this horizon. Looking across the forecasts, 80% suggest Litecoin will trade lower. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they turned out. At the end of the day, the price settled at $53.49. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. If we judge by accuracy, Traders Union had the strongest forecast. Time to organize the results. In yesterday's move, 2 forecasts landed inside the candle. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and Traders Union reached 1.4%, the highest among them. And now, see how all forecasts performed side by side. According to the fact check, CoinLore recorded 0.8% ROI and accuracy. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Litecoin and others. Cardano leads tomorrow's projections with 2.1%, while Litecoin remains further down the list. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. And that's today's summary. Stay subscribed to see tomorrow's accuracy check. Catch you in the next breakdown.